Hello everybody, my name is Joey here for DFB, and today we're going to be talking about one of the classic Disney breakfast items, Mickey Waffles. This is a Disney breakfast staple and is available at just about every theme park, resort, and cruise ship that Disney has its name on. These are deliciously thick, made with malted flour for that one-of-a-kind taste, and they're often served with maple syrup, and in some places you can also get powdered sugar or fruit toppings for yours. These were ordered at Contempo Cafe in Disney's Contemporary Resort, which is a quick-service restaurant located near Chef Mickey's. This is one of our favorite spots for quick-service meals because of the high food quality, easy access when traveling on the resort monorail, and is just a short walk from Magic Kingdom. This is one of our favorite spots for Mickey Waffles since they're available in large and mini sizes. The breakfast items are served here until 11 a.m., and the condiments that can be enjoyed with the waffles are butter, gluten-free vegan butter, maple syrup, peanut butter, and sugar-free syrup. First, we want to take a look at the regular entree version of the Mickey Waffle. This one is $9.99 and is served with one large Mickey Waffle, 2 links of turkey sausage, bacon, and your choice of fruit topping. The fruit topping choices are banana caramel, cherry, or blueberry, and are all served warm. The fruit toppings come on the side, and feel free to request more than one. We also wanted to take a look at the kids' mini Mickey-shaped waffles. These are $5.99 and are served with 2 mini multigrain Mickey waffles and a cup of sliced strawberries and grapes. If you prefer the Mickey waffles to be made with original batter, don't hesitate to ask, and they can change it up a little bit for you. The kids' version does not automatically come with a fruit topping, but they can definitely give you some on request. Overall, Mickey Waffles are one food item that we crave at all places Disney, and a breakfast with these is a super nostalgic way to start off your Disney day. So that's just about it for this one. If you'd like to learn how to make your own Mickey Waffles at home, click the button at the very top right of your screen to be taken to Disney Food Blog, where we take you through the step-by-step process on how to make them. Now, if you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave us a like, and definitely consider subscribing for more content like this. Once again for DFB, my name's Joey, and we'll see you in the next video.